Guide, I'm going to show you how to recover permanently deleted photos on your iPhone. Super easy and fast. And if you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do in order to go ahead and basically recover permanently deleted photos on your iPhone is go ahead and load up the photos. Now, once you've loaded up the photos, you might be on the library, but what you're going to want to do is go to collections. Now, once you are on collections, you're going to scroll down to recently deleted, where you're going to click on it and it will say view album, where you might need to use your Face ID or something to go ahead and do it. Then you're going to press select, and then you're going to tick whatever photo you want to recover, press the three dots and then press recover, then press recover video or recover the photo. If that still doesn't work, guys, you can go ahead and check your iCloud photos if you sign into iCloud photos and check they're recently deleted there too. And you can also check other backup services like Google Photos, OneDrive, Dropbox, WhatsApp or message conversations, and you can even check an old computer backup that you may have made through your iPhone. And if none of those contain them, once a photo has been permanently removed from recently deleted and there's no copy and backup from an iPhone, you can't recover it. So yeah guys, that is about it. Subscribe, drop a like, and I'll catch you in the next